lagi nilang sinasabi, tuloy-tuloy mo lang, kasi lahat ng tinutuloy mo magbubunga rin. But they always say that you have to be consistent about doing it. Push mo yung gusto mong gawin, i-push mo 'to, i-push mo 'yan, pero being consistent is really hard. It is. I've been struggling on that ever since. Siguro naging consistent lang ako nung bata ako because I'm consistently at top. Kasama ko lagi sa performer nung nasa grade school ako. But nakakapagod din siya. And then it came, okay, gusto ko na lang mag-relax. Gusto ko chill naman. So I realized that consistency isn't always doing big things daily. Sometimes it's just not quitting altogether. Hindi mo siya kailangang gawin yun araw-araw. Yung hindi ka mag-quit, I think that's part of being consistent. Nakakatawa lang kasi ako, I've been into different kinds of content. I've been into traveling, food content, saying my thoughts, reacting to something. But tumitigil ako, but bumabalik din ako. Discipline will always beat motivation. But what if wala ka pareho? So, yun yung pag-uusapan natin today. There was a time na nagpaplano na ako ng nakakalungkot siya. I felt bad.